Hi, I'm Sarah. Welcome to Creative Ramblings. Today I have an easy beginner's guide to using rhinestones with your silhouette. This is the first time I am using rhinestones, and I knew I wanted to make some shirts for my girls for Valentine's Day, so I went through Silhouette America and I purchased a rhinestone starter kit. I find these starter kits are great if you want to use a material for the first time. You get everything you need to make a couple projects right in this kit. So today I'm going to walk you through what's in the rhinestone kit and exactly how to make your first very simple project using your silhouette. So let's take a look at what's inside. We have an instruction manual that's going to walk you through everything you need to know. You also have an instructional DVD that you can watch, and you have a download card. These download cards are fantastic. They have a number of designs. In this case, this has the alphabet and then some seasonal designs that you can use. All you do is scratch off the back and download it to your silhouette library. With rhinestone designs in particular, they have little holes on them and they can be a little bit more difficult to create your own designs with. So when you're first getting started, this download card is fantastic. Next, you have 2 pieces of template material. This is actually what you're going to cut your design out of. And most of the time the design is not going to be this large, so if you just use a portion, you can save the rest and get quite a few designs out of these pieces. You also have 2 pieces of backer board. This is really thick, kind of chipboard-like material that you're going to use in the process of transferring your design. And then you have some transfer tape that you're going to use to take your rhinestone design and put it on your piece of fabric. In the bottom of the box here, we have 3 types of rhinestones. These are heat adhesive rhinestones. So you have black, pink, and silver. So you can make a couple different colored designs there. And then you have this nifty little tool. This is a rhinestone brush that's going to help you get everything in place. So what I'm going to do is get out my computer and download my designs and set up a very simple design for my youngest daughter's Valentine's Day shirt. I am going to use my mat and the black template material, and I'm going to cut out a design, and then we'll be back and show you what else we can do with that. All right, I've got my design cut out here. I cut it out of the template material. I am going to peel the whole piece off of my mat. Most of the dots are going to be left behind here on the mat. Then, because I want to save some of this material, I'm just going to cut it off so I can use the rest of it later. All right, now in this step, I'm going to need a piece of backer board, a piece of transfer tape, my rhinestones, I'm using 2 colors for this, the rhinestone brush, and also the piece of fabric of the shirt that I'm going to put this on. So the first step is to grab my backer board here, and I am going to peel off the black part here, this kind of velvety part, and it's just going to have a whole bunch of little holes in it. Now some of my holes still stuck in there, so I may need to go through and punch some of them out. Alright, so I've got all my extra little holes punched out, and I took that black template material that has an adhesive on the back and I stuck it to the backer board. Now we're going to put in our rhinestones. So this is love, and I'm going to do the heart in pink rhinestones and the other letters in a silver rhinestone. So let's start with the heart. I'm going to take some pink rhinestones and just pour them onto the sheet. Then I take this handy little brush here and just spread them around, and this helps push them into all the little holes here. And just keep going until you fill it in. And then once all the holes are filled in, you just want to make sure all your rhinestones are facing up. So once my rhinestones are in place, I used my brush to move them all in, and I made sure they were all flipped up so the nice shiny rhinestone side is facing up. I'm ready to put my design onto my shirt. And to do that, I'm going to use a piece of transfer tape. So this is a very sticky, clear film. I'm just going to peel off the backing and place that on my design. Make sure everything is sticking to it very well. Then I'm going to peel that up and place it on my shirt. And I cut my piece of transfer tape a little bit here so I can save some for my next design. I'm all about conserving material. So I bring my shirt over, and line it up where I want it. This is a little baby shirt, so it is a big design on a baby shirt. And I place it on my shirt so it looks like that. And now we're ready to adhere that permanently. So to do this, I am going to get an iron and a pressing cloth, and I am going to hold that iron down, put the pressing cloth on top, hold the iron on top for about 1 minute, and then I'll be able to pull this transfer tape up and my design will be permanent. So I hope that helped you discover a little bit about the Rhinestone Starter Kit. If you are interested in getting your own, there is a link on my blog and below in the description of this video. Definitely go ahead and get yourself one. If there is a promotion going on, you can definitely see about it on my blog. I have a discount code for you, so if there is a promotion, that's where you'll find out about it. Enjoy. I hope you go make something crafty, and thank you so much for visiting. Have a great day.